get more effective for learning. Okay, so okay, kebijakan pemerintah Menteri Pendidikan Mr. Nadiem dalam pandemi ini. Okay, I have sent new vocabularies last time to your WhatsApp group WhatsApp. I mean, so and now I'll resend again our new vocabularies. Okay, thank you. Okay, and the first want to be the first. Miss Belinda, maybe?
Okay, I will try. The policy of our
Okay, yeah.
education minister in this pandemic. It means that online
Okay.
class.
Yep.
Okay, in my opinion, this is new way in education way when all of that activity is doing in online. So there are a lot of things changed before pandemic and after pandemic or in this pandemic. So there are a lot of adaptation from the teacher, the student who get this, I don't know, who need or who must through this policy. So for me, as a student, I think it's okay if we have to through this, because we know that our minister, our education minister, do this to decrease the cases of pandemic. So we have to stay in home to but in other way, we have to still get education from our university. So we need to adapt it, right, with this condition. So it's okay, but it's really really difficult for me because from from Maret from March till now until now, there are more assignment that given by our lecturer to us. It means every lecturer has different way to give their lesson, their subject. For example, there is my lecturer who give only PPT and we have to read it by ourselves. But I believe that not all of my friends, also me, read that PPT. Kecuali if we got an assignment from that PPT, so we have to read it to solve the the question. But there is a teacher, lecturer maybe, I mean, who always asks to meet in Zoom. It means it will menghabiskan a lot of data from the student, but meskipun apa sih?
Although.
Oh ya, tadi udah dibilangin. Although we get data from our university, but it doesn't enough to for a month only got 15 gigabyte. I think it's not enough for me, for us, because there are a lot of assignment there that we need internet too. Sometimes there are some of my friends who difficult to get signal and etc. There are a lot of problem in this pandemic, but we have to through it together. I think that's all my opinion. Oh my god, too difficult for me. Okay, thank you guys.
Okay, thank you. That's a good opinion, Miss Belinda. And later at the last, I will give my statement also. Okay, I'm not hearing your opinion, but I have opinion here. Okay, what I should to do in this pandemic. Okay, but I'm not a Minister of Education. Okay, and now before I'll give to handsome boy, Mr. Nanang. Time is yours. The presenter of TV One. Silakan.
Before talk the policy of Mr. Nadiem, Mr. Nadiem Makarim in this pandemic. In the last year, Mr. Nadiem Makarim, the policy to delete the UN, ujian nasional in this year. And coincidentally, there is pandemic in this year, so that's the UN. It's okay for this pandemic is deleted. Yeah. And for the policy of Mr. Nadiem Makarim in the pandemic, as far as I know, there is several things. Yeah, the first one about there is no online learnings in the red and orange area. Yeah. And the second one, for the yellow and green area, the online learning is allowed, but not much. Yeah. But not much. It's given to the regional governments, to give the online or offline learning. And then the third things for SMK, SMK kejuruan, for kejuruan,
National High School,
and campus. Maybe campus, I said university, maybe. For the practicum learnings, it must be done at the campus or school, but with the apply the COVID-19 protocol ketat. That as far as I know, like that. And in my experience, all of my kids, from the March until now, stay at home and apply the online learnings. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nanang. Okay, later I have some question for Mr. Nanang to know the more information about this online learning. Okay, and before that, please welcome to Brother Irfan Adi Putra Setiawan Uap. Please give your opinion, brother. I want to know your opinion. Okay.
Yes. In era pandemic and the early year 2020, we get very shocked and terkejut. And the first time I have
ini surveinya ini.
I have to exam SBMPTN and the first materi before like tahun-tahun sebelumnya, the materi is basic skill and scientific, but at this year scientific is deleted and tersisa basic skill. This is make me very shocked. And then memasuki masa kuliah, our teacher is just giving us PPT, and he mengharuskan kita to can use AutoCAD very well. But in my education as vocation student, I'm from senior high school. Feel very shocked because I cannot use AutoCAD before, so it make me kesulitan.
Yeah.
Like that, Mister. Thank you.
That's all, Brother Irfan?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, thank you, Brother Irfan. Okay, this is a real testimony. Okay, ya, Mimana.
The policy of our education minister in this pandemic, I think same with Miss Belinda, Mr. Irfan, or Mr. Nanang. It's so difficult because from my nephew, the experience of my nephew, he want to mendaftar itu,
Enroll.
Register.
Register, yes.
Enroll, mendaftar.
Register to be a college.
Register.
Yes, register to be a college, but everything must be online, and he cannot register, and because salah input, wrong input, the attach the salah input di online gitulah. So he lost his kesempatan itu apa ya?
Opportunity.
Yeah, opportunity. And I think it's so difficult from my children to follow the education in the school, and from the teacher. Not always teacher can give the ilmu itu apa ya?
Knowledge.
The materi gitu, the materi listen to her apa? Murid itu apa ya? Murid.
Pardon?
Murid itu apa?
Student.
Yeah, student. To her student. Like my children teacher, he is too old and he doesn't know about the technologies. And she really difficult about the
gaptek, ya.
Gaptek, yes. And and my daughter say, I don't like this teacher, I don't like this school. And my friends of my children say, I forget all my friend, I forget all my name, all my name.
The friends, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. I think it's so difficult, but I think this way is better than for now. Then they go to school. I think it's the better. That's my opinion, Mr. Suju. Thank you.
Okay, the first from Mr. Nanang. So Mr. Nanang agree with this online class or not?
Yeah, agree with this condition, with the pandemic conditions. Yeah, I agree. But there are the advantages and the disadvantages. Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Irfan. Brother Irfan, how about you? Do you agree with this online class or do you want to be offline class?
For right now, I'm agree about online class, but actually, uh, I'm not agree because for the practicum is so hard for online class.
May I
Okay, okay,
ask?
okay.
Okay. May I ask the Mr. Irfan?
Okay, okay. Come on, sir.
Okay. I want to know. Do you learn AutoCAD program? Yeah.
Yes, Mister.
Have you understand about that program now?
I understand a little because I try to study on the YouTube and find information from my friend who from vocation
Yeah, yeah.
SMK,
Okay.
vocation high school.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Vocational high school, yeah.
I will tell you my story about the how I study about the AutoCAD program. Yeah, because in my work, I have given the task to lay out the factory, So I make the the things or the machine or the table and yeah something like that with AutoCAD, and I try to learn AutoCAD autodidact.
Yes.
So the first one you can look the option tutorial in the program. Yeah, there is tutorial. You can practice with that. If you have difficult about that, you can buy some books and try to follow to read that books one by one, step by step, and I believe that if I make practice more, we can easy to understand about about that program. I want to tell about my daughter experience also for the pandemics. The the report or report of mid semester, it's so bad for mathematics and physics, whereas in the junior high school, that subject it's very good. But in the senior high school now, the nilai the result it's not good. And when I asked her about the report, she said that she cannot, she didn't collect the task, all of the tasks, because she didn't understand about that subject. So the result and the report is bad. And for the solution, I have to accompany her on and teach her at home at least 1 hour per days. and now I think she can now she can understand about that subject, and she has interesting of that subject now. Okay, thank you.
Okay, any question from Mr. Irfan?
No, Mr. Suju.
Okay, Mem Ana, how many percent do you agree with online class?
15%, 50-50. I think I agree, but it's so difficult, I think, because it's the safety way for us, for our children too. We must follow the rules. I think that. And for Mr. Irfan, same with Mr. Nanang say, you learn about the AutoCAD, right? From my experience, I learning my AutoCAD skill. It's autodidact too, because I can menjalankan AutoCAD with practice.
Apply.
Apply the AutoCAD with practice. So I think you must try drawing everything, or if you have a draw, try to draw that drawing jiplak. Awalnya seperti itu, jiplak dulu, how to draw that drawing. I think that's, and for the comments, you can see the option, or you can googling, or try to view the YouTube for the AutoCAD. That's not, I think that's not difficult, but easy to try drawing the AutoCAD. Right, Mr. Nanang?
Yeah. That is explanation from the civil engineer.
Yes, but if you wanna draw the drawing, you must can read the drawing. The first step is you must know what the drawing. Read the drawing.
The basic, yeah.
Yes, the basic. You must bisa baca gambar dulu, baru bisa.
Now the drawing about.
Good. Keren nih, dapat ilmu dari yang udah pakar.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, Miss Belinda, how many percent?
Actually, I think in the first month when my campus take this policy that we have to learn from home, I think apa sih mahasiswa itu apa sih?
Student of university.
Okay, student of university can control themselves to keep what is that? Doing the protocol, healthy protocol in COVID-19, because I think we know gitu what we have to do, and we have to wear a mask. We need to social distancing with others, and we must keep clean our hand and etc. But in the fact, no, I don't agree if we are in offline class, because I know my friend, too difficult for me and my friend when we meet in offline, we can control ourselves one another and other. So I agree if we are in online class now. Gitu. You got my point? I hope yes.
Okay. I try to give some stimulation of online class based on our explanation, our experience, and our expectation. So I have some question for you all, for people in front of me. Okay, we just compare between our school, student, market, and mall and others. So, okay, let me see it before. So from the other sectors, only one step that they have always maintained and always say and always monitor by doctors, by apa kesehatan, kesehatan I mean only one, that is wash your hand, keep cleaning, keep social distancing, and then using mask. Yeah, using mask. So from this, why in our school always consists with online learning? Why they never think that the student come to the class turning secara bergantian. For example, now today I come to my school and tomorrow I will not come to my school and others, because after I monitor all of the sector of in our life or in around me, only 4 steps that they always control for the people. So that why if we have to do like this one, until when we will stop this condition, this new normal, I mean, um, because although they have online class, but they going anywhere. For example, shopping, traveling, climbing, and then hanging out, having cafe, having internet, and other. So actually, what is the main point of our online class? From this, I know the problem. This is I just guess based on my planning, based on my mind, that why our government never stop this learning class. Maybe our Minister of Education has been contract with XL, Indosat,
Yeah.
3G, and others. This is like a project. So that why our government never stop this project. So the victim is our student lazy to study. Our student think that this class, this school, this teacher is incapable again. The teacher isn't clever again. Whereas the teacher and the student, the school is good enough in learning. This is okay. And then from this online class also, not all of area of Indonesia get evac from this virus. Moreover, this man is mini regency, be yellow or white color. So that why our government never give this regulation to the regency directly. If this regency is safety from COVID-19, it's okay. It's holding offline class. But if this regency is got victim from this COVID-19, they have to do online class. Okay. At the first, please give my opinion from Mr. Nanang. And the second, Miss Nana, Miss Belinda, and the last, Brother Irfan. Go. I give others objection for you all. Because in this class, we have the same idea, except me. Okay, yeah. Miss Nanang, think twice. Okay. Kalau if you have many objection, kalau punya keberatan, it's okay, never mind. We just practice our English. Yuk.
The problems, the awareness of the COVID, yeah, for the people or for the family is different to each other. Yeah. Sometimes the people who cares, who awareness about the bad effect from COVID, yeah, he will keep the family to keep stay at home. Yeah, yeah. It's like me. In the the long weekend like this, all my member of family stay at home, and in the pandemic from March, my kids never go anywhere, including to his grandfather and grandmother in Bandung. Not it's not meet with them, until now, and unless for me and my wife, sometimes I think about two times go to my parents or my parent-in-law in Bandung. Only me and my wife. So I try to restricted my travel, because I worry that my rifle can be bad effect or spread the I mean to parent and my parent-in-law, like this. So I try to restrict it ourselves from traveling and keep stay at home until now, like this. And for the information, for now, I still pray Jumat at home or at office, not in the mosque, and daily praying still at home. Yeah, because I know the mosque in my housing not apply the health protocol of COVID-19. Yeah, I know about this. Okay. But several and the others who didn't care about the awareness of COVID, sometimes makes travel. It I mean this it's depend on the people, I think. Okay, thank you.
Okay, later I have some question for you, sir. Okay, yeah, Mim Ana.
Okay. My opinion, Mr. Suju. I think too much responsible for the school to supervise all the children at the school, and I think stay at home, it's responsible from the parents, and if they membiarkan let the children go out or hang out or nge-mall, that's responsible from their parents. But if the student go to school, the responsibility is ada di under the teacher, and that's too heavy. School. I think, yeah. That's too heavy from the school for the responsible for that. And if but if the rule on the office, I think they are I think gimana ya, kalau misalkan di kantor itu mereka sudah apa ya namanya, bentar dulu kayak they have apa ya namanya, sudah dewasa lah, udah bisa menjaga jarak, but if
For kids, yeah.
for kids it's so difficult, I think.
Okay,
And same with Mr. Nanang, I don't let my children go out from my home. That's my opinion.
Okay, thank you, Imana. Okay, good, Miss Belinda.
Excuse me, may I add my opinion?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. For online learning at home, yeah, the important thing is the role of parents to monitor and to accompany the kids, yeah.
Yes.
In my family, I responsible to monitor my daughter in a senior high school, and my wife is responsible to monitor the my kid at the SD
Elementary school.
elementary school, yeah, elementary school. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, yeah, come on, Miss Belinda. Thank you, Mr. Nanang. Okay, Nanang, nanti catat saya ya, biar nyambung koneksi kita, walaupun we are far away, tapi hati kita tetap bersatu. Okay, thank you, Miss Belinda. Time is yours. Come on, give your opinion.
Okay, if we talk about the different policy among the sector in Indonesia, why education is still home but the others no? Can you imagine if the education will start in offline class? If we were now, there are kayak apa sih ngomongnya gimana sih? The news about COVID-19 is less than before, right? Start from Omnibus Law. Do you know? Do you aware about it? I think like that. So first, I want to say that if the Minister of Education in Indonesia let us school in our campus or school, it will get worse because I got different condition from you, Ma'am Anna and Mr. Nanang, because here in my environment, in my home, apa sih, di gang, di RT, di my city, the parents let their children go everywhere, such as my neighbor, until kapan ya, April, that the condition is very apa sih, buruk, very bad, but my home still crowded with my neighbor. They play together like there is no corona here. So I got different condition. We can imagine if our government let us school in offline. Orang yang di online kan aja, we try to go everywhere. Can you imagine if we maksudnya tidak dilarang gitu? Akan seperti apa dunia ini kayak gitu? That's my opinion. Gitu.
Okay, thank you. The same question. Okay, I have. Okay, Mr. Irfan, brothers.
I think we must study at home because
Wait a moment. Tapi paham kan pembicaraan kami?
Yes.
Okay.
Oke, thank you. Soalnya kamu sangat jauh usianya dengan Belinda kamu. Kalau sama saya usia kamu dekat.
Mana ada?
Silakan.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Okay, please, Mr. Ivan.
Okay. First, I think we must study at home because if one of our family get infected by virus corona, it's very dangerous because the virus corona can spread to all of my family.
Yeah.
So it's very dangerous because if we had a old person in our family, it has increased meningkatkan resiko untuk kematian.
Yeah.
So we must stay at home.
Increase the rate.
Yes. So if we just go to offline class, I think all of person is not aware about the healthy protocol, like not using mask for talking with her friend and never wash the hand. So I think if we have to offline class, it's many thing negative, not give us a positive like that, Mr. Juju. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for brother. Okay, thank you. That's a good reason and reasonable reason. Okay, so I have to think twice, but I want to know more your opinion. If this is about awareness of COVID-19, okay, so what for we have to hold the online class? Yeah, if we have talking about the awareness of COVID-19, what for we have to hold the online class? Because awareness of our society is different. Okay, this is the first. But after regulation go down to the policy, turun ke polisi, and always polisi get a razzia in a way using mask or others. This is all of our society relies to use mask, to wash their hand, to do protocol, health protocol. But my problem is why? Okay, my question is why in this online class there is no little changing regulation from our Minister of Education. Kenapa tidak ada peraturan sedikit pun yang turun based on this condition? Okay, I know that Surabaya. This is the apa sentral COVID itu namanya? Jakarta apa namanya tuh? Bahasa dokternya apa ya? Okay, Jakarta is central of Corona or COVID-19. Surabaya also, because why? This is a big city. There are many movement. There are many
mobility.
There are many mobility of people over there. So of course Surabaya is must doing online class, but Indonesia is a big country. Not all of area get Corona or COVID-19 since the first until now. Moreover, now in Madura never doing about protocol, health protocol since the first. Moreover, right now is not more strict than before. So why online class for the student never decrease or to a little bit? Tidak pernah turun walaupun sedikit pun. Always online class and online class. Okay, I know that elementary school, Islamic elementary school is difficult to control from the school. But why? Vocational high school, senior high school, junior high school, moreover, student of university. because the fact not only a village but also citier orang kota go to the other place doing mobilization from one area to the other area. Because what is the main point of COVID-19? What is the main point? This is just first using mask, wash your hand, and then keep distance, and what else? Keep our immune. So everyone can do it. And then everyone can do it. Setiap orang bisa melakukannya, tapi setiap orang tidak bisa melakukannya. Bisa juga. Why? Because they less awareness and others. And then the last is they less immune, such as me, like this one. So this is on the other mind of me. Actually, I agree with online class because the effect. But after I think twice that there are many projects. There are many projects. So please share your opinion, Mr. Nanang. Mr. Nanang know more about the regulation of our government, Ma'am Anna, and Miss Belinda. This is, and then the last, how to apply or how to operate this this offline class. If they want to do social distance, using mask, and then using face shield, keep distance between one table to the other table, and then one class become two class, maybe, or become three classes and others. This is more effective to get their knowledge. Because why? If Indonesia must be same with the other country, Indonesia is different culture. But background of Mr. Nadim is not pure from Indonesia because Nadim comes from America. Their studying has done in America. So why there are many teenagers that says that Nadim is not suitable become minister in Indonesia like this. Okay, come on. Maybe untuk siapa nih? Admin Kampung Inggris, ini live di YouTube ya. Oke. Okay.
No.
Ya, come on, Mr. Nanang.
Nggak ada
Okay, ya, come on.
Worry ya.
Omnibus Law. Okay, Omnibus Law. Why? There are many students of university comes to Jakarta, comes to Surabaya. There is no social distancing over there. And then after that, if we have done research from that problem, the graphic of coronavirus is increase or decrease.
Same.
There are many students of university over there. Okay, yuk, Memana.
Tom Yam.
Yuk, coba Brother Irfan. Or Miss Belinda or Mr. Nanang, maybe punya data atau bisa meyakinkan saya gitu.
Until now, I can imagine when my daughter swaps her marks when she looks her friends have more beauty marks than she, and she swaps her marks with the friend. You know that I mean? Saya masih belum bisa membayangkan ketika anak saya bertukar masker dengan temannya ketika melihat temannya punya masker yang lebih cantik dari dia.
Yes.
Kenapa saya jaga banget jangan sampai dia keluar rumah.
First,
because still young. Okay. Yang saya pertanyakan tuh SMK, SMP sudah tahu kan? In this masjid Pare, there is no sign like this one. But Allah follower of praying seluruh makmum keep social distancing. And the masjid is full. Hanya jaga jarak. Yo, come on, your question, Miss Belinda.
Do you believe Corona?
I believe Corona. I believe Corona because Corona is virus. Since the first we come to this world, since our Prophet Muhammad, Corona or virus, there are many. But there are steps how to prevent it, untuk mencegahnya, also a little by this mask and others. It's not stop our mobilization strictly because beside of Corona, beside of our activity, we need to eat.
Okay. The second question. Do you agree if we are heterogen?
Okay, what do you think about heterogen? Using mask always?
No, we are
What
different,
is?
right? I think if you ask
Oh,
why
yeah.
the basic why the policy is made by the government, because we are heterogen, we have different perception to understand something. So that's why we are diikat by the policy. But
Okay, I can answer it.
okay,
Okay. I said before that why our government, I don't know for sure, why our government, central government of Jakarta, never give this regulation to our regency. Tidak pernah memberikan peraturan ini ke bupati. Because every regency is different. Every regency is different. Okay, in Madura there is no corona anymore, so it's okay. Madura can hold online learning, but in Surabaya no, because Surabaya is always decrease. Because why? Our doctor, our specialist doctors, our specialist protocol corona knows about the graphic, which one is the central, which one is the spreading of corona and others. If these regulations come from central of our Minister of Education, this is just make all of Indonesia same. This is amen. So I can answer your question, or maybe this is wrong.
there is no wrong and right here, but we give our argument, right?
But my argument is based on my opinion.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Ma'am Anna?
Yeah, my friend is pramugari. Yes. Did you know that only flight to Indonesia still closed from various countries? Hanya penerbangan ke Indonesia yang mereka tidak bisa datang. Did you know that?
I know it because I have a friend pramugari too.
So,
what do you mean?
Semua negara mengizinkan itu apa ya? Allow their warga negaranya to the other country, but not Indonesia.
Lockdown for Indonesia, ya.
Lockdown for Indonesia. Yeah. Indonesia people can go to anywhere, but they people lockdown for Indonesia. That's
okay.
My opinion.
I have question too. Okay.
Why I say that? Because my friend will go married with Turkish, but pemerintahan Turki sama sekali tidak mengizinkan orangnya datang ke Indonesia. Tidak ada izin sama sekali untuk Indonesia.
Orangnya datang ke Indonesia, jadi orang.
Okay. I can catch your point.
And my friend now in Jeddah, he can back to Indonesia. If
okay, I can catch your point, Memana. I can catch your point. Thank you. Okay, what time is it? What time is it, brother? Ya Allah, sorry. Yo,
10:23.
3 minutes more. Okay, sorry. Ya, Mr. Nanang.
Oke,
karena saya ini. Karena
No.
kalian sama semua pendapatnya. Welcome.
You know, my government is galau.
Gloomy.
There is the kepentingan. There is economic, importance of economic and importance of healthy. The government is galau. So the healthy cannot be keep tightly because government want to move the economic activities also. That's all the other country see that the Indonesia is there is awareness from the government and the people in Indonesia, so that not believe to the Indonesia cannot control his citizen.
Okay, sir. Stop. I can catch. Okay, I can catch your point.
Excited discuss this. Oh my God.
Our topic for tonight about online class, sir. Online class is related with the student. Online class is related with the student, and our government has been doing this online class since the first time until now. So automatically our government has been evaluating this online class. Okay, this online class running well. There is no school disobey to our government because they want to dismiss. They don't want to dismiss. Nggak mau dipecat kan? All of school obey to our government. So if the problem Corona always increase, the problem is not from the student. The problem is not from the online class. The problem is from the other factors, from market, from other activities.
Yes.
Like this one. So this is reasonable or not? Masuk akal nggak?
Yes.
Reasonable.
Gitu. Because online class has been doing since the first time until now, whereas bahkan sampai sekarang. So if the other country doesn't want come to Indonesia, this is not because of online class. This is only just specific minister, not the other minister. The other minister, for example, like flying minister and others, maybe behind of this there are many some project like this one. I believe in Corona, but after I think twice that this is the problem. Okay, so it's just make Indonesia down and down. Indonesia can manage, for example, maybe Indonesia can manage our economic and also can manage our student. This is just our problem. So I emphasize, saya tegaskan once more that it's not because of online class. Because why? The fact online class has running well since the first time until now. So if we have evaluate this, of course, the problem is not from the student and from online class. Just that, because all of Indonesians, orang-orang Indonesia, always doing mobilization, selalu melakukan mobilization, including the student. For example, doing traveling, go to Jakarta, goes to Indonesia, goes to Madura, goes to East Java, goes to Kalimantan and others. like this, sir. Okay. So the conclusion based on our awareness. Jadi kesimpulannya berdasarkan our awareness, because awareness can increase our immune, can increase our belief, kepercayaan, or our minds. If we believe that, you have to do this. If you don't believe, we never do this. Kalau nggak percaya nggak usah aja kan, gitu. Kalau percaya karena nanti keraguan-raguan akan membuat kita kena. Gitu. Makanya nggak usah ragu-ragu. Oke.
Nge-freeze Mr. Suju.
Karena Memana sudah mau mengeluarkan nasi, kita makan bareng-bareng yuk.
Yuk.
Oke, sorry sir. Waktunya sangat telat ya. Mr. Irfan, paham kan pembicaraan kami?
Insya Allah.
Mr. Irfan, anak-anak saya protes.
Kenapa?
Lesnya mundur terus.
Komplain tuh, admin.
Komplain ini.
Iya.
Oh, mama komplain tuh.
Saya dikasih kakak saya juga, anaknya pada ngikut, terus lesnya nggak mulai-mulai.
Itu Mr. Irfan, kampung Inggris. Bukan Irfan ya, bukan Irfan. Ivan. Ya, not you, Ivan. Oke, admin. Oke. Aduh, ya Allah, I have to go to my home. What time is it? Oke, thank you. So, there is no online class? Karena Memana sudah mulai melapar, dia mau makan. Dietnya gagal.
Enggak, aku nggak pernah diet seumur hidup.
Oke.
Iya, Memana udah kurus.
Nah, someone waiting for her. Oke, someone waiting for her.
I think you must try to sport. Heavy sport.
Ya,
Oke.
Nggak mau bayar mahal personal trainer sih. Jadi kayak ya udah sendiri aja gitu.
Soalnya kalau misalkan pakai trainer lebih terarah.
Ya juga sih.
Ya
cuman
karena
kenapa
karena pandemi jadi menjaga jarak mungkin.
Benar.
Social distancing.
Enggak gitu juga sih. Belum ada
Benar.
aja.
Nah, ya kan itu sir, sudah jelas-jelas pandemi mau ngundang trainernya kemana-mana lagi.
Trainer saya setiap datang itu saya semprot dulu.
Walaupun disemprot dia kan ngomong.
Dia pakai masker.
Walaupun pakai masker, tapi dia kan ada muncratnya.
Pakai brongsong tuh si Madi.
Mending pakai YouTube. Awet dan juga nggak nyebelin.
Kalau pakai YouTube capek ya udah diem. Kalau pakai trainer capek.
Mau diet atau enggak sih? Kalau mau diet, walaupun di gua bisa diet.
Serius, Mem, saya masih 18 kilo lagi nih, harus turun.
Waduh.
Aduh, parah nih.
Obesitas banget.
Dia hilang.
Nggak sopan banget nih caranya keluar. Mr. Ivan, di stop aja recordingnya. BTW kita semua co-host BTW. Iya nggak sih?
Iya. Mr. Irfan baru masuk kuliah.
Iya.